About the new law that cracks down on illegal immigration in Florida. Governor DeSantis signed it into law on Wednesday. Let's go to ABC Action News reporter Keely McCormick joining us live from our satellite room. Keely, you've been following this story very closely for the past couple of days. What can you tell us now?
Well, James, some people are in support of this new law, saying it will deter migrants from coming to Florida. But others tell me they think it will drive a wedge between people in the Bay Area.
I'm a pillar of the community. The majority of Hispanics in Pinellas County are that way. And yet, by passing that law, whenever I go before to get any kind of service, any kind of interactions with anyone, they're looking at me as if I was undocumented.
Eliseo Santana is a veteran and former Pinellas County Sheriff's Office employee. Now he works as an advocate in the Hispanic community here in the Bay Area. He tells me he thinks the new immigration laws in Florida are going to negatively impact all people of color in the Bay Area, both documented and undocumented.
My conversations with anyone is not, are you documented? You know, I mean, that's not at the, but yet this law now makes it a priority for all of us, not just law enforcement, not just immigration people, but all of us to be able to have to put that barrier, that prejudice.
But people like Nikki Jones are in favor of this bill. Governor DeSantis brought her along to the signing on Wednesday. Jones is a mother of two from Plant City. She lost her husband to an undocumented driver a few years ago.
I am in complete support of this immigration bill because it is a start to protecting our families and children.
Let's take a closer look at the changes this new law will bring. It will now require hospitals that take Medicaid to ask about the patient's citizenship status. Businesses with 25 or more employees will be required to e-verify employment screening. There will be tougher penalties for knowingly hiring or transporting undocumented people in the state. And the Florida migrant relocation program will get another $12 million after previously flying almost 50 undocumented people from Texas to Martha's Vineyard. Some Republican lawmakers say the immigration package will act as a deterrent to a migrant influx. Others think it will hurt more than it will help. And Santana tells me he thinks the law was meant to instill fear in migrants and scare them away from Florida.
That is not the republic for which I served as a veteran, and that represents liberty and justice for all. And that application for all is not happening.
Whichever side of the aisle you fall on, these are the strongest state-led immigration laws in the country. Immigration policy is generally set on the federal level. Governor DeSantis acknowledged that, but says he's fighting what he calls Biden's border crisis. Reporting live in our satellite room, Keely McCormick, ABC Action News.